What's up, YouTube? Wesley here with Mountains, Mushrooms, and Mary Jane. Today we're going to be inoculating our liquid culture with the Petri dishes that we made in the previous episodes. I'm also going to not be really promoting the Patreon too much until I can reach 1,000 subscribers. I feel like it was just a little premature to set it up so soon. Right now I'm just below 30 subscribers, so make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and let all your friends know to do the same. With that being said, we're going to get right into it. Here we go. Alright, so some of the supplies you're going to need is, you're going to need your liquid culture jars that we made in the previous video, as well as your Petri dishes with your mycelium that's growing in there. And then you're going to want a sterile needle as well. So you can find those on Amazon. Then you're going to want some kind of tape and a marker so that you can mark your liquid culture jars, some rubbing alcohol, a still air box, and some gloves. If you don't have a still air box, make sure to turn off your heat, air conditioning, any fans, all that kind of stuff for at least an hour beforehand, and then sterilize the area that you're working in really well with rubbing alcohol. 70% so that it's wet for at least 30 seconds to kill any contaminants that might be on any surfaces. This is a pretty quick and easy process, so we're just going to get right to it. With that being said, here we go. Alright, so we're going to get started here. I sprayed the inside of the box, sprayed everything, and then put it in there as well after I sprayed the inside of the box. And I sprayed the outside of the box all with 70% isopropyl alcohol. And then I waited about 30 seconds and wiped it down. Gave it a good minute and did that one more time just to be sure that I don't have any contaminants inside of my box. If you're going to do more than one Petri dish, then you're going to need more than one scalpel or a torch, one of the two. So just keep that in mind. We're going to be doing 2 here today. So I have my torch next to me as well, so that I can do the second one. So basically I'm just going to barely pop the lid off of one, and then open the lid to the liquid culture, and I'm going to open my scalpel and then cut out a little piece of the mycelium and drop it into the liquid culture and close it immediately. So that's what we're going to be doing. Spray my hands down first really good with isopropyl alcohol as well. My glove, my long glove all the way up. So I'm not introducing any contaminants into the box when I do this. Barely pop that off. Alright, so as you can see, our mycelium has grown a lot. Completely filled the dish, which is what I like. Means it killed off any contaminants that might have been in there. And it should be strong, healthy mycelium. So we're going to open our scalpel. And I like that nice big chunk right there in the center. It's nice and poofy. So that's what we're going to go for. to get the mycelium as best I can with as little of the Petri agar as possible. And that is that. We got our mycelium in there. Give her a nice shake. And we should start to see that grow within a week or so. There you have it. There you have it, YouTube. It's that easy to inoculate your liquid cultures with the Petri dishes, both of which we made on this channel if you've been following along. So now we'll give it a week or two to let those grow, and then we'll test them to some more Petri dishes just to make sure that the liquid culture is not contaminated before we go ahead and make our grains and inoculate those. So with that being said, I hope you're enjoying the journey. This is Wesley with Mountains Mushrooms and Mary Jane's Cultivar. I'll see you on the next one.